If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select All to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting problem. So the question is, you have this table called process log and you have some workflows with some error statuses. So the question is, you have some three rules. So if the steps of workflow, all the run status of workflow are of the same status, say error, complete or running, then return the distinct status. That means, so if you see for Bravo, both the step numbers have the same status, complete. So that means it should return, Bravo should return complete. And Charlie has both the statuses running, so it's Charlie should return running. Delta has both the statuses as error, so Delta should return error. So this is the first rule. Second rule is, if any steps of a workflow have an error status along with the status of complete or running, set the overall status to indeterminate. That means, suppose say um, if uh, uh, if there is both error, if error status along with status of complete or running. So here error, this alpha has three status: error with complete and error with running. So that means this will come under indeterminate. And if the workflow steps have a combination of complete and running without errors, then overall status to running. So here complete and running is there for echo, so this should return running. And here for beta it's error and complete, so it should return indeterminate. So hope you all understood the question. So now let's see how to solve this. So first one, select, what I'll do, I'll implement the first rule, select from process log, and here workflow, comma, count of distinct run status as total runs, group by workflow. So if I run this, for each and every workflow how many we are getting, we'll get. So here Bravo, Charlie and Delta is only one, so whatever status is there here, that will be written here. Okay, so now let's keep this in a CTE with CTE as, and this. So now let's do one more thing, select from what will we do. So here or otherwise what we'll do here, instead of counting the distinct statuses, so just let's instead of count, just return the distinct status, so distinct workflow and status. So in this way, in this way we'll get this. So now what I'll do, select from CTE, and here workflow, comma, string aggregate. I'll aggregate all the values of a single workflow into a single column. So expression is run status, comma, I'll aggregate with comma as run status AGG. Okay, so let's see what we are getting here. Okay, CT workflow is invalid, so group by workflow, and also we'll add here distinct count of run status as count, as distinct count. So if we run this, what we are getting, so for alpha you are getting all this run status aggregated, and you are getting the distinct count, and similarly this way. So now what I will do, I'll keep this in one more CTE underscore final as this way, select from CTE underscore final. So what I'll do first, workflow, comma, so case when distinct count is equal to 1, then run status aggregate, and when the run status aggregate like error. So now I'll implement this second rule. So if it has a more than one distinct count, we'll see if the status, if this particular string has error in it or not. So if it has error, then we'll call it as indeterminate. Okay. When run status aggregates, again this particular column has is like running, say it does not have error but it has running and complete, then it is only running. Okay. So for and here end as status, I'll rename this column to status. Okay. So what will happen? So now here what is happening, let's run this together and see. So here for alpha, what is happening, you have error and complete and running. So here if you saying if any of the steps of a workflow have an error status along with the status of complete or running, so if even if both are there, then we have to return indeterminate. And next is beta. So beta has error and complete, so error status along with the status of complete or running, error with the status of complete or running, then again indeterminate. So error has only complete, so again indeterminate. And for Bravo, Charlie and Delta, they have the same status, so they're returned. And next is echo has running and complete without error, because and the third rule, if it has combination of complete and running without error, then set the status to running. So we have set the status to running. So this is one of the solution. I know there are many more solutions to this, so I would ask all the viewers who are watching my videos to solve them using union and union all. Let's see how many of you solve this using union and union all. So put down your solutions in the comments, and I'll give a call out to whoever has solved this using union and union all. Thank you. Have a nice day.